Find 7 rational numbers between 1 and 2. We can write 1 as 1 by 1 and 2 as 2 by 1. We are asked to find 7 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So multiply the numerator and denominator of each fraction by 7 plus 1, 8. So we get 1 by 1 is equal to 1 into 8 by 1 into 8, which is equal to 8 by 8. 8 by 8 is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 1. Similarly, 2 by 1 is equal to 2 into 8 by 1 into 8, which is equal to 16 by 8. 16 by 8 is an equivalent fraction of 2 by 1. Now 8 by 8 and 16 by 8 are like fractions. 7 fractions between 8 by 8 and 16 by 8 is equal to 9 by 8, 10 by 8, 11 by 8, 12 by 8, 13 by 8, 14 by 8, 15 by 8. We are asked to find rational number between 1 and 2. 9 by 8 is a rational number as 9 and 8 do not have any common factor. Similarly, 11 by 8 is a rational number. Similarly, 13 by 8 is a rational number. Similarly, 15 by 8 is a rational number. Now, remaining fractions 10 by 8, 12 by 8, 14 by 8. In 10 by 8, 10 and 8 have a common factor 2. So divide the numerator and denominator with common factor 2. 10 when divided by 2, we get 5. 8 when divided by 2, we get 4. Now 5 and 4 do not have any common factor. So write it as 5 by 4. As 5 and 4 do not have any common factor except for 1, it is a rational number. Now 12 by 8. In 12 by 8, 12 and 8 have a common factor 4. So divide the numerator and denominator with common factor 4. 12 when divided by 4, we get 3. 8 when divided by 4, we get 2. 3 and 2 do not have any common factor except for 1. So write it as 3 by 2. And 3 by 2 is a rational number. Next one, 14 by 8. 14 and 8 have a common factor 2. So divide the numerator and denominator with common factor 2. 14 when divided by 2, we get 7. 8 when divided by 2, we get 4. 7 and 4 do not have any common factor except for 1. So write it as 7 by 4. So 7 by 4 is a rational number. So 7 rational numbers between 8 by 8 and 16 by 8 is equal to 9 by 8, 5 by 4, 11 by 8, 3 by 2, 13 by 8, 7 by 4, 15 by 8. So write them in ascending order. 1, 9 by 8, 5 by 4, 11 by 8, 3 by 2, 13 by 8, 7 by 4, 15 by 8, 2. So these are the rational numbers between 1 and 2.